come today.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Hello, you look amazing.
Thank you. You too. Wow.
Would you like to blend?
Oh,
Maybe make
is it on? Oh.
This trailblazer has opened her own music label, the first of its kind, owned by a woman in Uganda.
Oh yes.
So this is history.
That's very exciting. Oh yes, this is a
Moment,
historical
yeah.
moment.
Yeah. So I'm going to invite you, Sheebah, Your Majesty, to tell us about your label. Yeah, and about how we can get into the label. We're ready.
You ready?
I'm
Okay.
ready. Yeah.
I've been ready for some time. Hi guys, my name is Sheebah Kalungi Omuyimbi. My mom loves calling me that, Samali. And I'm so excited, super excited. Today, I finally revealed my news, my secret. I've been keeping it for some time now. I've always wanted to do this from day one because we all need mentors. Okay.
Cheers for me.
And that's my cocktail, by the way. Yeah, for celebrating my beautiful moment. So it's coming anytime. Don't be shocked. Okay? I'm 33. I have some cocktails in the morning. I'm saying today's a beautiful day. I'm excited to announce my beautiful label, Kama Music Label, Uganda. Follow each and every page for more information. I've been waiting to mentor. I've been mentoring people low-key because I love it. And people have been mentoring me in the industry as well. So it's time for me to officially share my experience, share my love for music, share my love for stage, share my gift as well, because we all are gifted. I can't wait for you. You must be wondering, how do I get in? Yeah? Should we get to the part? It's now? So guys, first of all, follow all the pages. Kama Music Label Uganda, please. Kama Music Uganda, follow it today. That's the first thing you should do. On Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and on the email, plus YouTube. For now, we'll be opening up more and more pages as we go on. Thank you so much. A moment for Kama Music Label. Moment of Lulu. So every time I do something I like, or I actually conquer something like this, because it's been really a journey for me as a musician, and I cannot wait to mentor my own artists. So for now, I want to take my first sip, celebrating. Please, if you have a drink there, even if it's juice or it's water or it's like water, please just hold your drink and sip with me in celebration to Kama Music Label officially launching. Sip, sip. I was so excited to do this. Guess what? This is how you get it. Let's get it to it. I've been receiving emails already. You guys are so active. I've seen the video. I just posted I think 30 minutes ago to an hour. You guys love it. You love the news. Thank you so much for those congratulating me. Thank you. I can't wait for you to be with me on this journey. This journey is not just for me. This is our journey. Me and you, my lovers, and our country. We need to empower other people, you know. It's time we empower other people so that we push our youth, our talent to the next level. And this is the first ever female-owned music label in Uganda, or rather in East Africa. If I'm sorry, flips again. I'm sorry guys, I'm super excited to get in. Get your phone, easy. These days everything is gonna be on digital, right? Get your phone, record yourself. You want me to show you? Let me show you. You know I'm gonna be seeing, but you never know. So you get your phone, you go record a video, you sing your favorite song. It could be any song. It doesn't have to be my song, it doesn't have to be a Ugandan song, it doesn't have to be Kiswahili or English. Music is a language itself, just sing it. It could be Lugbara, it could be anything, Runyankoli, it could be Utoro, sing that. Just give us some vibes, okay? We are not limiting anyone. Everyone can be a star, regardless of where you come from, okay? Just give yourself a chance. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. So this is what you do. Grab your phone, go in your car, sing your song. Maybe one kona is your song. One kona, Gwenzi jema wega, Wampunza unza, Waliomba pio mtwe. Remember, smile. And if you're sad, be sad. Show me your emotions. We want to know you as a musician. We want to know you as a person. I can't wait to see you record a video under 1 minute, not more than a minute, and send it. Tag Kama Music Uganda, tag Sheebah Richard this year or Sheebah Kalungi on all the pages, and boom, you're in. You can send it to the emails. You've also seen the emails, Kama Music label email or Sheebah Management emails for the business. So don't hesitate. Do not be shy. Nobody's seeing you. Do it in the showers, just like you do it. Just get your camera, do it in your sitting room, sing, show me how much you love this. Who's the next star, baby? It could be you.
Wow. You guys want some energy? Oh yeah,
Guys
the
need
phone,
some
is it?
guided.
Okay, screen call. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, man. Thanks. So when do the
See my first artist and the second artist, but before that, my first artist. You could be my first artist, please. Even if you're a duo, even if you're a trio, please don't hesitate. This is not just for the solos. It could be for the duos too. It could be for the group as well. It could be a performer, it could be a guitarist, it could be a pianist, it could be anything. Just show me what you can do and we'll take you guys to the next level. I love you guys. Submit right now. I can't wait to see you do your thing. You could be the next star. Mwah.
Okay, so are you doing this alone?
Am I?
Are you doing it alone? Looking at the submission?
Oh, alone? No. I actually picked up some people from the industry. Some of your favorites. Fake Fameka, Nava Gray is going to be part of the panel judges. I'm going to have acting pro producer. I'm going to have Chosen Becky, you know, vocalists, swag. Do you do hip hop? Don't worry, come with your swag. Fake Fameka is there to show you how it's done, get you better, or pick you to be the next star. So don't hesitate. Beat rock, we take it. R&B, we good. Afro pop, we good. Just show me what you got. And Nava Grace gonna be there to listen to your beautiful voice. And for me, it's everything. It's a package. I wanna see you and feel like, oh my God, I need to shoot her video right now. Make me feel like that. And you could be the next star, the first ever Kama Music Uganda, owned by yours truly, Queen Sheebah.
Okay, any questions? Yes.
I just gave birth to this beautiful, it's been there for some time, but we just launched it. So welcoming ideas like that. Like can we have can we have personal contestants contest? But we're gonna get into that and figure out how other people who can't use their phone or who don't have a smartphone, how do they get into the contest? We're gonna get to that. And if you can't actually use your phone, there's another way. Get your friend who has a phone. I'm sure if you don't have a phone, you have a friend or a neighbor or anybody in your family. You can't tell me you don't know anybody that has a phone. And for you that has a phone, and a talent walks to you and say, hey, record me, I want to get into it, please. Be a human, be a kind human, and help them. And if that fails, we're going to figure out how to get to you wherever you are, up country or not. I'm going to think about that with my team and we see how to juggle that. Thank you.
My other question is,
yes.
How does someone get onto, I'm talking this in terms of employment or getting that opportunity to work with Sheebah and her brands. How does someone get to work with Kama Music? Because I know a lot of guys there from maybe digital, writers, producers, photographers, journalists that would like to, because I know of a journalist who is so passionate about Sheebah. So how do they get to work with Sheebah?
What's his name?
I'll say that confidential, maybe I'll mention it.
Oh, come on. Come on. Those people are supposed to be given their flowers by people they love. But whoever you are, thank you, man. Thank you for standing by a real. So, how do people who want to work for the label get to us? Same thing. The pages are there, you can DM. The email is there, you can write on. The number is there, you can call on. We're going to put there the number, the contact, the email, the WhatsApp, everything. Before the end of the day today, you're going to be seeing everything. But for now, DM, email, everything you can do. You know, if you want something, you can't fail how to get it. Find a way of getting to us. For now, every information is on our social media. Thank you so much. And yes, we are welcome. We're welcoming artists, we're welcoming writers, we're welcoming producers, we're welcoming people who are, because in our music sector or industry sector, there are people who are prominent in the business. The writer, the artist, we all need you. We're going to work together. So if you know you're a good producer and you're young, but you want also a chance to work with us, please don't hesitate. Write to us. If you're a writer, don't hesitate. Write to us too. If you're a media personality that would want to take on Kama Music, please still write to us and we'll get back to you. Thank you.
Probably my last question to Sheebah.
Okay.
Over 10 years in the industry, is...
Why do you want to chase me from my music? No, I'm not. But I want to share what I have before I leave stage. But of course, I'm not gonna be on stage forever. I'm not planning to do that. I started working at a very early age, so I want to retire earlier. I don't know what early means to me, but I really want to retire early. But I cannot put a date and year to that yet. No. Not now. We still have a battle to do. Sorry. Off topic, that is nice.
Sheebah, one last one for me. Are there any renowned personalities that are part of the directors in Kama Music? Oh, tulaba Kama tumanyi, that's Sheebah.
Mulaba Kama mulabe o Sheebah Kalungi. That's it. Anything beyond that, as you know me, I don't discuss my business details on screen.
Other questions?
Yes, sir.
Afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Congratulations, Queen. I'm so happy for you.
Oh, thank
such
you.
a love of music. My question would be, do we see Kama Music becoming next maybe in 5 years? And if that's so, what's the target like? Because you know, so much talent always comes on board, but it comes down to how many the label can sustain in terms of handling and growing with. You understand? So how many are we looking at in 5 years from now? Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. So for now, I'm not gonna limit Kama Music to any number because we are a baby, but our baby might be big, our baby might be small. But for now, what I'm thinking is our baby is gonna be bigger than what we can even imagine, because it's me. I'm not gonna sleep, I'm not gonna eat, I'm not gonna do anything until I make it work. I'm resilient, and I'm gonna teach my my artists to be resilient as well. So I'm going to collect a bunch of hungry, angry, talented people. I'm looking for you. Be hungry. Be angry. And when I say angry, is you're angry enough to attack anything. Not in a bad way, but challenges. You need to be tough. So I'm not going to limit how many artists we're going to welcome. I'm going to let it play out. We could get 10 talented artists. I'll work my head off and my mind off to make sure those artists are sustained if actually it makes business sense. Because if I can spend on something that can make me more money, why not? So I'm going to look at it as a business venture in the long run. But for now, I want to get someone to touch our hearts. Probably another Sheebah, probably another Rema, probably another, or probably a unique character that we've never seen. I'd be more interested in that. So I'm not going to limit the number. We could be 2 for now. We could be 10 next year. We could be 20 in 5 years. You never know. Inshallah. Whatever God wants for us, we will take.
Any other questions?